Welcome to the EduLink 1 Parents' Evening Teacher Tutorial. Please open EduLink 1, log in, and then click Parents' Evening. Select the Parents' Evening you wish to review. You'll be able to see your current bookings for your Parents' Evening. You can also delete bookings if you need to. You can also block out time where you're not available. So just click the block button and it will change to blocked. Once you're ready, you can click Start Appointments. This will open up a new window. Please allow to use your microphone and camera. Here you'll be able to see the next Parents' Evening event occurrence with a countdown timer and each scheduled event within the Parents' Evening at the bottom.